Alright, so it's a little past midnight, and I was going to bed, and I was just checking my email to see if Josh sent me the tune already, and he did. And he's saying we are done. Everything looked good on my end. Like I said, it made an average of 215 wheel horsepower and around 155 torque. Getting the hybrid intake and that PML header will definitely help out. Sweet. So we'll go ahead and download that one. I'm on my phone right now, and this is it. This is our final tune. Sweet. Can't wait for tomorrow. Alright, so it's the next morning. Let's go ahead and download this one. And like you said, I'm making about 215 wheel horsepower. Hell yeah, that's probably means I'm making like maybe 117 crank or some shit. I don't know. Save. Let's plug in our Flash Pro. Let's open up Hondata. Let's make this big. Let's go ahead and open the file. And this is our last calibration. This is the last tune. Let's go ahead and delete all these logs. Yes. Calibration. Upload. Sweet. This is the last one. A little sad this series is going to be over. I was having a lot of fun. Now all we have to do is throw it in the car. Alright, I have the Flash Pro plugged in. Gonna load the final tune. There it is. And I'll let it do its thing. And this will be the last time we see this on this series. That's it. Let's go ahead and start her up. Sweet. And that's it. We don't need to do no data logs or anything because this is the final tune. We're done. Sweet. I guess let's do some pulls. I also just changed my oil. I'm at 50%. Let's go ahead and reset that. There it goes. Hold it down one more time. And we should be set. Yay. Back at 100. And I put 2,000. I had to look off the phone. 2,290 miles on this new motor. Sweet. Yeah. Just waiting for the motor to get to temp. I also replaced my oil pressure sensor because that was faulty. It was bouncing all over the place, and they sent me a new sensor. So there it is. It's nice and good, solid. Yeah. Alright, so my tuner set me up with anti-lag 2-step. Just hit some. Silencer on my muffler, but somehow it fucking spat it out. It fucking shot that bitch out. So we're gonna jump on the freeway right now, and we'll do a first gear pull. Sheesh. Thank you, Josh, so much, man. This shit is fucking ripping. Thanks, bro. And when I get my cold air hybrid racing intake, and I slap in the PRL, nigga, I'm gonna hit you up again because I want some of that good sauce. That's right. So everybody follow this guy on Instagram, Josh Tunes. Hit him up if you have a 8-gen. If you have an 8-gen Civic, or if you're using Flash Pro, you might even want to ask him. He might be doing K Pro and maybe even other tuners. But hit him up. This guy knows what he's doing. He knows what's up. He has my shit dialed in. And that'll do it for now. Fucking truck's in the way. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's RSX right there. I'm gonna try to catch up. Let's see if he wants the sauce. It's a Type S too.